My name is Wrinkles.
I want to watch things.
You want to watch Wrinkles? Hi, I'm over here with my friend Maya. Maya what?
Maya Reyes.
Maya Reyes. How you been, Maya Reyes? How was the school today?
I play Miska.
You played musica?
Yeah.
Ooh. You hurt my tongue. That's no nice. That's no nice. I'm gonna tell Daddy. Daddy! Daddy! Look, your daughter. Maya, what's the matter? Sit down. Thank you. Well, I was wanted to say hello to Auntie Allison because Maya told me to say hello.
Pull.
And Maya wanted to know. Stop pulling me. You wanna hurt my arm. Oh my goodness. Please, stop it. Stop. Okay. What is your name?
Maya.
Maya what?
Maya Reyes.
Maya, can you give me a kiss, please?